Let's do the same procedure again with completing the square, but this time we can see I've got one additional piece. I've got this negative 2 in front that I've got to factor out. So I'm going to start by writing this equal to 0. Just so that I'm in an equation form. And my first step is to move all the constants to one side and group all my x's together. So negative 2x squared plus 16x is equal to a positive 31. The next thing I'm going to do is I need to get this quantity in front of the x squared equal to 1. So I've got a negative 2. So I've got to factor out a negative 2. So negative 2, x squared minus 8x, got to make sure I get that sign right there, plus some number is going to be equal to 31 plus a negative 2 times some number. Got to make sure that since I factor out the negative 2 here, I multiply whatever I put over here by that negative 2. So here, negative 8, half of negative 8 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. Got to put a 16 on both sides. So then when I simplify this, I still have that negative 2 on the outside. This becomes x minus 4 quantity squared. This is really asking what are the factors of 16 that add up to negative 8. That'd be negative 4 and negative 4, which is where I get that x minus 4 quantity squared. On my other side here, 31 plus negative 2 times 16. This right here is a negative 32. So 31 plus negative 32 is a negative 1. And we'll put everything on one side. And when I'm back to equaling 0, I can write it as a function. Negative 2, x minus 4 quantity squared plus 1. So the goal was to find my vertex, and my vertex is going to be at 4, 1. That negative 2 there, that's the a value. Once again, that's just going to tell us if it's going to be skinnier or wider. And since that's a 2, it's going to be more skinny than the parent function. And then that negative in front of the 2 just tells me I'm going to have an x-axis reflection.